Hey, this is Isabella from Max Digital, and I just wanted to shoot you this quick video just with some specific things that you guys can do yourself to help bring in more business by better utilizing both your website and your Google business profile. So let's get started. So when I do a Google search for roofers in Miami, Florida, these are the search results, and I think we can all agree that 90% of people don't actually ever click to page 2 of Google, so it's really important that your business is popping up here on this first page. So let me show you the three different sections of the first page of Google. So the first is right here at the top. It's the sponsored ads, so wherever you see sponsored. But most people don't care to pay that kind of money to be listed there. So the second section is called the Google Map Pack, and there's typically 3 to 4 businesses listed here. And there are a lot of factors that go into ranking in this map pack, but the most important is just having your business listed in more online directories than your competitors. So examples of those online directories would be like yellowpages.com, Yelp, or like Angie's List, all that. Now we scroll down and get to the third section of the first page of Google, and that is called the organics listings. So most often you'll see that there's online directories listed at the top of the organics listings, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to scroll past that, and we want to find the first website in the organics listings that is actually a roofing service in Miami, Florida. So in this case, it's T&S Roofing Systems. So I actually have their website pulled up right here. Another thing with Google is that they usually like to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on a website to consider it an authoritative site. So as I'm scrolling through yours, as a guesstimate, I would say you have around 1,000 maybe. So you're not quite there with the word count, but that's okay because your competitor isn't either. So they don't have the highest word count either, but that's not the most important thing, honestly. The most important thing is what types of words you have, not the amount. So my team uses this site called Ahrefs, and it's quite pricey, but it's actually pretty important to have. It gives us just a better look at the inner workings of your website. So I can see here that you guys are only using one keyword on your website. So in turn, that's only getting you 9 people per month looking at your website. And when we compare that to your competitors, they have 1.3 thousand keywords, which is getting them 1.5 thousand people just per month looking at their website. So that is a really big factor to play into how well your website does. So one thing you can do to build those keywords is, like I said, make the Ahrefs account, and then you would copy and paste your competitor's website right here, and then you press enter and you click on their number of keywords, and it'll bring you to the full list of all the keywords that they're using that gets them so much traffic. So just using Miami roofing is getting them 173 people per month. So you can honestly just copy and paste these and put them into your own website, and that would help you guys out a lot. Another thing I wanted to go over is backlinks. So going back to your Ahrefs page, if you don't know what backlinks are simply just links from other websites over to yours. So they're acting as an endorsement of your site by that other site. And these backlinks are giving power to your site because these endorsements tell Google that your site can be trusted. So obviously the goal is to have more backlinks than your competitor, but the quality of your backlinks is also really important. So here I can see that you guys have 4 backlinks and a quality of 2.2. And when we compare that with your competitors, they have 1.7 thousand backlinks and a quality of 24. So they have you beat there as well. One thing you can do, like I said, make the Ahrefs account. And then instead of clicking on backlinks, you're going to click on their number of domains, 251, and it'll give you a list of their backlinks. But it's not as easy as with the keywords where you can copy and paste. For these, you would actually have to go in and register with each of the sites in this domain category. But it would basically just embed a link back to your guys' site, which could be really helpful for you guys. So yeah, I just went over a bunch of tips. You can either implement these strategies your own, which I'm totally cool with. But if you guys want the most effective route and you just want to save yourself some time, you can just reply to my email. We'll set up a time to discuss it in more detail. And I think that you guys can actually be #1 across Google if you implement these strategies. So I look forward to hearing from you.